everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net, and in today's video I will show you how you can easily remove any of your followers on Instagram. So if someone is following you on Instagram but you don't want them to follow you or be your follower, you can easily remove them from the followers list. So let's begin with the video. Alright, you just have to open your Instagram app and make sure you are logged in. Now you simply have to tap the profile icon given at the bottom right corner, and here you will see the number of followers that you have on Instagram. Now if you will tap followers, you will see all of them, and you will also see the remove button next to their name. Alright, so whenever you want to remove any of the followers on Instagram, if you have a public account, you can easily do that by simply tapping remove. Once you will press that, you will again ask that Instagram won't tell that person that they have been removed from your followers. Alright, so they will not get to know that you have removed them from followers. Only they will realize that whenever they will visit your profile and they will see that they are not following you. So it means either they have removed themselves or you have removed them. Alright, only then they will get to know about this. Otherwise Instagram will not send them any notification about this. So again, tap remove, and that's how you can remove any of the followers on Instagram. That was all for this topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and in case if you have any doubts, suggestions, feedback or queries, you can let me know in the comment section down below, and you can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, where I post similar content. Thank you for watching.